Morning student, today we will start our next chapter and the chapter name is word processing intermediate. Okay, and we will start this chapter, but firstly we will discuss about the topic which we will discuss in this chapter, and the topic name is modifying the layout of a paragraph, managing header and footer, creating and managing styles, creating documents templates, inserting page and section breaks, applying characters formats, inserting graphical objects and illustrations, understanding text wrapping, and inserting object, inserting shapes, symbols and special character. These are the main topics which we have to be discussed in this chapter. Okay, so take out page number 101. Firstly we will discuss about the introduction. The introduction is given here, but here I can just want to say that we know that word processing is an application which help us to create our text document, modifying it and formatting them to improve the way they look. Okay, it will change the look, how they are appear, and with a great flexibility of checking the document to make it error free. Okay, and the chapter focus on a word processing application and help you to understand its utilities and various advanced feature in creating professional document. Okay, so today we will discuss the topic one. First topic, modifying the layout of a paragraph. And here you can see that paragraph is a block of text that contains few to many sentences. Okay, in paragraph there is more than 100,000 word or sentence is applying. Okay, while typing in the word processor, a paragraph ends with when you press the enter key. When you press the enter key, the paragraph will end, and when you press the enter key, your next paragraph will or next document will start. Okay, so this is how you can modify a paragraph. Open a new document in Word and click on page layout option and then click on dialog box and then the launcher arrow of the paragraph group. Okay, so this type of interface in your system will appear. Okay, here you can see that the launcher option is given here, and looking invoking dialog box for paragraph formatting. Here is the dialog box. Okay, the second step is the paragraph dialog box appear. It contains two tabs. Okay, namely indents and spacing. Okay, the first is indents and the second is spacing, and the line and page break. Okay, these are the option which is given here in this dialog box. Paragraph formatting dialog box. How we can format the paragraph? Click on the indents and spacing tab. When you can click the launcher, you will see that the indents and spacing and line and page break option will appear. So you can just click the indents and spacing option, and you can set alignment, indentation and spacing. Okay, from here you can set your alignment left to right or right to left, and indentation left to right and right to left. Spacing, you can just change the format or the place of your page. Okay, paragraph alignment. Paragraph alignment is a way paragraph is aligned in a document. Okay, word align the text to the left of the page by default. We will start our paragraph writing from left. It is not compulsory. It is here we can see that we can change the alignment. you can just click the left to right option, then your paragraph will start from right side. Okay, but the default position can be altered by choosing the given option. Here show you can set the alignment. Click the page layout button, then dialog box launcher arrow of the paragraph group. You will get the paragraph dialog box. Click on the indents and spacing. These are the steps. And then step 2 is under the general section, select the paragraph alignment. The default position of the text can be set by clicking on any of the following alignments commands. These are the alignment commands: left alignment, Control plus L. These commands align the text to be start from left side to right side. Okay, this type of alignment is called ragged right. Okay, ragged right. Okay, center alignment. Center alignment, the shortcut key is Control plus E, and this command align the paragraph to the center of the page. Okay, with equal spacing towards the left and right. Here you can see that your heading or your book will follow the center and left and right alignment. Here you can see that the left alignment will be taken here, but right alignment, but here you can see that the left alignment will be taken here, and here you can see that the center alignment will taken here. Okay, these are the example of left, right and center alignment. Okay, and right alignment, this command align the text to the right of the document. In order to left align paragraph, click the left align command. In this type of alignment is called ragged left. Okay, ragged left or flush right. Okay, justified. The shortcut key of justified is Control plus J. Leaning up both the left and right side of a paragraph is called full justification, when the both side will leave the same space. Okay, and this type of formatting is mostly used in newspaper, magazine layout, and it will easier to make the read the thin column. This is the here